Coconut oil and honey mixture, powerful remedy that will stop cough instantly. Before we start, I would like to ask you a question. What do you think? Are you treating your child's cough the right way? Well, some medical experts have found that many of the over-the-counter medications for soothing and treating cough are not really helping. They think that their placebo effect is actually making people feel better. So why wasting too much money on prescription medications, which won't have any positive effect on you or your kids, when you can use natural remedies? Note: you should know that this natural remedy is both tasty and sweet. The ingredients used in it help soothe coughing. Or you can take this natural remedy to prevent the cough and the cold, because it contains powerful nutrients which will improve and strengthen your immune system. This homemade remedy is very simple and easy to make, and you just need 4 easy available ingredients. Just follow the simple instructions. You will need the following ingredients: 100 ml coconut oil, 100 grams of raw honey, a pinch of Ceylon cinnamon optional, 1 lemon juice, full lemon squeezed. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to whip the coconut oil until frothy. After that, you need to add the honey and keep whisking until they completely blend together. Now you need to add the lemon juice. Cinnamon is optional. When you are all done, you should pour the syrup into ice trays and put them in the freezer for 20 minutes. Take the newly formed cough drops off the ice trays and transfer them into a glass jar to be kept in the fridge. You should consume 1 cough drop every day for best results. You will be amazed by the results. These cough drops are much more effective and safer than the prescription medications. You will get better results without any side effects. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.